Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
What's up everybody? Welcome to Gamingtech. It's been a while, I know. I hope you're doing alright. I'm perfectly fine. Was on holiday, but now I'm officially back. I had this portable mini fridge from Nedis. It's been a while, collecting some dust, so why not do an unboxing and test the product itself. Apparently it's meant to store 6 standard size drink cans. They also claim that you shouldn't use any dairy products. It's meant for drinks only. So let's start with the unboxing first and take a look what's inside. By the way, I have very big unboxing of stuff towards end of the month, expecting 3 big packages, around 60 kg. This is how the mini fridge looks, basically. There's a red version of this. I paid 349 kroner for this, which is say $30 to $35, depending on the exchange rate. For some reason they're upping the price on this unit. I have no idea why, but as far as I know from the Swedish retailers, they're selling tremendous amount. Basically with this unit we have 2 modes, heating mode and cooling mode. And each one has their own LED indicator for it. Power input is around 48 watt, net weight is around 2.26 kilogram. I'll be linking the dimensions as well, and here you can have a cup holder. This is how it looks inside. It comes with 2 separate cables, AC cable and DC cable. You're gonna be asking me why 2 cables? Well, one of them is used for vehicle use, the other one is for home use. That's the cable I was talking about. It's a cool product. I also tested the temperature, of course, to see how it functions. When you set to the cooling mode, there's a separate LED indicator that lights up green, and for the heating mode it lights up red. There's a night mode also, and you can enable the fan as well. That's the AC cable that we will be using here. Do not cover the ventilation holes. Also in the manual they say it's intended to keep only food, drinks, medicines warm or cool. Do not store fresh food like meat and dairy products. Do not cover the ventilation opening also. Just a quick temperature checkup. The machine wasn't on here. That's how it looks from the back. We have a fan there. The different modes are here. That was the heating, and this is the cooling mode. Super basic product to use, nothing special whatsoever with the manual. I will be putting 1 cup of water there to see how cool it gets. There we go. Close that lid. Closing mechanism could have been better. You need to apply a little bit force to it. But overall, it's a pretty unique looking fridge. Pretty good style as well. Let's check the temperature again. They claim that the cooling temperature is roughly around 15 to 18 C. Lower than the current ambient temperature, of course. And there was my measurements. These are from the ventilation hole from the back, around 40 degrees. So it's doing a phenomenal job. You don't have to go to the fridge anymore if you're a gamer. Just grab the drinks under your desk. I wanted to see how much stuff I can fit in here. We can remove this bracket. There's an arrow also how you put it in. Just for the sake of the video, I'll be putting some cheese, chocolate that I had around the office. Obviously no dairy products they mention, but this is to demonstrate how much room we have. Sadly didn't have any drinks. When people come over, they tend to drink a lot here, so nothing is left. Some butter, some cheese. This butter is pretty good, by the way. Love it. Some chocolate nougat from Marabou. Let's see what else we can fit more. And a Chex chocolate as well. So yeah, not bad at all. Haven't tried the 6 can if it actually supports that, so from what I see, I think it's a false marketing for sure. There's no way 6 cans are gonna fit here. Maybe 4, but 6 absolutely not. Goodbye to that minion. That's the handle, which is super handy. You can adjust it like this. We have the cup holder here. What do you guys think of this product? If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so. If you like the video, like the video. Thank you for your support. It means a lot. That was the socket that we were using. I like the product. Very cool unit. I will be linking the article number of this device as well as the dimensions. We can remove this holder as well. Also, if you intend to use the heating mode, you need to wait at least 15 minutes in order to not damage the product itself. That's what's written in the manual at least. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves. Let's go!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate